How to share Discord profile link on phone. Hey there, welcome back. And today's video I'll show you how can you share your Discord profile on a mobile device. To do it so, you want to make sure to launch the Discord application first of all and log into your account. After which you'll be taken to the home page, and here you want to click on the initials of the profile from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Now then, what you want to do is click the gear icon from the top right, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in advanced settings. When you locate advanced, you want to make sure to copy the developer mode icon right over here. Once you've toggled the button, you want to exit out of this page and head back to your home page. Here, you want to go ahead and open up any particular chat, or you just want to go ahead and open up a page where you've actually texted a message. You just want to go ahead and then locate it. So in my case, I've actually done it so. Then you want to click on the profile here as well. Now then, you've taken to the profile settings. You want to click on the three dot icon from the top right, and then you could find this section of copy user ID. Now you've copied the user ID. Now you could open up any node application or any other platform. Now for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it here, and then you could just paste in right over here. This is your user ID, or you could actually say it that profile link. This is the way you could share Discord profile link. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.